Okay, so let's pretend that you're Chris Huffman and you've just been to visit Benny Linder and you learned a little bit about him and about his company, and now it's time to send him a thank you letter. So what we're going to do is in the menu bar click on Write, and then we're going to click on Other Document from Template, and notice then that we have our thank you letter. So we're going to double click on thank you letter, and ACT does all the rest of the work. Notice now that we've got a letter created that has today's date on it. It's addressed to Benny, and it says, "Dear Benny, thank you for your time. It was a pleasure to learn about you and Best Lender Financing. Please feel free to call me at," and it's got Chris Huffman's telephone number on it if you have any questions. And then sincerely, Chris Huffman, CEO, CH Gourmet Gifts. So it's just that quick to be able to create these letters once we have the templates in place. But it's not only letters that we can create. Let's close this out. And let's say then that we wanted to create a fax to Benny Linder. Click on Write, and then we're going to click on Fax Cover Page. And notice then that we already have a fax cover page in the system. Now you can go in, of course, and change this template, make it however you want. But right now it says to Benny Linder and his fax number, which of course it pulled from the system. It's got Chris's phone number for his fax for a return. It's got the date on it. And then you could put in the number of pages, add your pages to the fax cover sheet, and send the fax. So it's just that simple to be able to use these templates once they're created, and some of them are already created. As a matter of fact, we'll close this one out, and no, we're not going to save any changes. And let's take a look at the memo. Click on Write. Let's say it's somebody that is within your own organization. You just want to send them a quick memo after having spoken with them or for follow-up. Click on Write and then Memo. This brings up the memorandum. And it's just as quick to create a memorandum to send to someone and type in whatever information we want for the memorandum. Put in the subject information, put in the body of information, but the memorandum is already created and the person's name is pulled off of the database. So it's very quick and easy to use these templates, and as we said, these are just the templates that are built into the ACT word processor. If we want to get fancier with it, we can then use ACT's integration with Microsoft Word. We'll take a look at ACT's integration with Microsoft Word next.